Guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the Credit Card Blueprint. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about one of the most popular credit cards out there for homeowners, and that is going to be the Home Depot credit card. We're going to be talking about everything you guys must know about this card. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, hit that like button, subscribe. Do that right now. We're almost at 20 subscribers, which is astonishing. So make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe. And guys, let's get started here. So we're going to be talking about, is this card worth it? So with Home Depot, there's 4 different ways people can get credit through them. 2 of them are going to be commercial accounts, so you do have to have a business, but the other 2 are going to be the credit card and the project loan. So the project loan is going to be more for like large scale projects. We'll do a separate video on this, so you guys stay tuned for that, like and subscribe. So today we're going to be just looking at the average consumer Home Depot credit card here. So with this card, and why a lot of people love this here, is because this card here offers financing. So with Home Depot, in my opinion, why a homeowner would have this card, and I actually have this card, is for emergencies, right? If that's just, say your hot water heater breaks, maybe you're going through a hard time or whatever it may be, right? Everyone's financial situation is different. So for me, I have this card in my back pocket. Hey, if I ever have a leak, if I ever have an issue with my home, I can go to Home Depot and I can get financing through them instantly. And if I pay the balance off in the first 12 months, I'm not going to pay any interest on Home Depot purchases. That's why people use this. But it does offer up to 24 months financing. And why a lot of people love this as well is because they do have crazy promotions. You guys, I've seen this thing up to 24 months, zero interest financing, plus you can get major discounts. Sometimes if you go there, they'll offer 20% off if you sign up at the store. So check out that here. So another reason is you can have up to 1 year to make returns. This is 4 times longer to make returns just for being a card member. That's huge. So, you know, if you buy something a year later, it breaks, and you use the credit card, you can take it back. No issues. I think that's really important as well. Obviously, zero liability on unauthorized charges. And then obviously here, this card is going to be, a lot of it depends on how good your credit score is. So the APR is anywhere from 17.9% to 29%. So I do think that's a little high. I've seen it higher. I've also seen credit cards lower. It's kind of like that middle ground. Very, very common. But why a lot of people love this card is no interest if paid in full within the first 12 months on store-wide purchases of $299 or more on the Home Depot credit card. Interest will be charged to your account from the purchase date if the purchase balance, including premiums for optional credit insurance, is not paid within the first 12 months. So that's a promotion here that they're actually doing right now. I do think that's actually a very common promotion. So like I said, 12 months here on purchases. So should you have this card? That's what everyone is wondering. So for me, I think this card is not essential, but it's good to have in your back pocket as a homeowner. You know, I got that card when I bought this house just because I was younger. I didn't have as much money. And so I was nervous. Hey, if my hot water heater breaks, am I going to have $1,000 to cover it? So having that credit card just gives you a little insurance. If something does happen, you have that year span to pay it off. And just with any credit card, you're going to want to pay it off in full. Pay off as much as you can. That's the biggest recommendation I can give people with credit and that are getting into that credit card world, is just pay off your balance, right? I know in this circumstance, you could technically not pay it off for the first 12 months. But still, the last thing you want to do is load up this credit card with Home Depot goods and then say, hey, man, I'm $5,000 in debt. There's no way I can pay this balance off. I'll just start chipping away at the minimum payment. A year later rolls around, you still owe $3,500, and then they're nailing you with 29% interest. That's how they're going to make money off this card. So guys, just pay it off. the biggest thing, obviously, pay it off, pay it off. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know what credit card you guys want me to review next down in the comments. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Take care.